Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you if you can add a song to an Instagram post after posting. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, find and tap on the post you want to add a song to. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Edit. As you can see, there's no option to add music to an existing post. If Instagram introduces this feature in the future, you'll be able to do it. However, there's another way, adding the post to your story with music. Go back and tap on the share icon, then select Add to Story. Now, tap on the sticker icon, then tap on Music. Select a song, tap on it, and adjust how you want it to appear. Now, your post will be shared as a story with the selected song. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.